Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to withdraw Solana from Bybit to Phantom Wallet. Now, if you go to your crypto assets, here you should see Solana, if you have that. So click on Solana, and we're going to be withdrawing that, right? Now, what you need is your address, okay? For your Phantom Wallet, you need your network. So go to your Phantom Wallet, click on Receive, choose Solana, okay? You'll get your Solana address, copy that, and then you go back to Bybit, you paste in the address, okay? For network type, you'll choose Solana, that's the only one available for that, for Solana. And amount, you can enter how much you want, the minimum is 0.1, so you can enter that, and then you just click on withdraw, okay? That's all you have to do. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.